But physicists, especially the ones that are somewhat theoretically inclined, tend to believe they have a kind of intellectual autonomy that they don't. Right? They just don't have it. So they'll say, familiarize themselves with various parts of many worlds theory and quantum mechanics, and then think that they don't need to have any modal metaphysics in the background, or think that they don't in fact have any in the background. That they're just on the cutting edge, making highly conceptual points about the nature of possibility and necessity. But they're not really accounting for hundreds of years of work on the nature
it sounds like philosophy
that happened before them, right? So physicists are, I hate to say this, but they're especially guilty of this. They often act like they don't need philosophy when they do. And maybe they don't need very much philosophy, right? Like sometimes they don't need very much, but they do need a little bit more. On the other hand, sometimes you meet scientists who, I mean, I shouldn't say this as a philosopher of science, but you meet them and you think, wow, you don't need philosophers at all. You're doing great. Just on your own, you're doing fine. Some really conceptually minded scientists often do. One, they may simply just read philosophy. So they get their philosophy secondhand. They don't need to have one in the lab. But sometimes they do achieve a kind of really rigorous conceptual autonomy. So it's possible, just isn't always true.